In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Slidesgo presentations into Google Slides. If you've ever found those beautifully designed Slidesgo templates and wondered how to get them into your Google Slides for your own projects, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this step by step so you can easily access and use these templates for your presentations. First, let's ensure you're in the right place by going to Google Slides. Simply open your preferred browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. It's important to be logged into your Google account to access all the features, so let's take a moment to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage, where all your existing presentations are available, or you can create new ones. Now that you're on Google Slides, you have the option to start with a blank presentation or to select a template. If you're importing a Slidesgo template, starting with a blank presentation is often the simplest option. Clicking on blank presentation will give us a fresh canvas to work with. With the new presentation open, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the File menu. Click on this to reveal a drop-down list. Among these options, Import Slides is what we are looking for, so let's go ahead and click on that. This is a crucial step as it's how we begin incorporating your new Slidesgo designs into your workspace. A new window will pop up that allows you to upload the slides you want to import. You'll want to click on the Upload tab. This is where we'll bring in those beautifully designed Slidesgo slides you've downloaded to your device. Once you've set up your Google Slides to receive the new content, it's time to head over to Slidesgo. In a new tab, search and click on Slidesgo, free Google Slides themes and PowerPoint templates. This is where the magic happens, as you can browse through an array of carefully crafted templates designed to enhance your presentations. Take your time to explore and select a template that fits your needs. There are plenty of options ranging from business pitches to educational graphics, so ensure you choose the one that best aligns with your purpose. After selecting your desired template, look for the download button associated with it. Make sure you download the template to your computer. These files are typically in a PPTX format, which Google Slides can easily handle. Once downloaded, return to Google Slides, where you left off with the upload option open. Click select a file from your device and find the downloaded template. Once you choose it, you'll see an import screen within Google Slides. Here, select the specific slides you wish to import. With just a click, they will be inserted into your blank presentation, and you're ready to customize and tweak them to fit your presentation style perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a Slidesgo template into Google Slides, making it ready for your personalized content and tweaks. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you're now ready to create stunning presentations with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.